Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to log into your BeReal app account. The process is really easy. I'll show you how. Stay with me. Let's get started. Before that, be sure you've installed the BeReal app on your phone. Now let's get to the point. So first of all, open the app on your phone. And here tap on continue. Tap on continue again. Again tap on continue and then on get started. Now you'll have to enter your name here, the name which you used to create the account, and press continue. Then enter your date of birth here. First enter the date, then the month and then the year. When you're done, tap on continue. Then select your country code here and enter your phone number. Select your country code from this list and tap on continue. Now you'll have to wait for the app to send you a code and you'll have to enter that code here. I have received the code, now I'll enter it here. After you're done, let it load. Now here you'll have to allow BeReal to access your contacts, so tap on allow. On this page you can invite your friends to join you on BeReal if you want to, and then tap on continue. Now you've logged into your account, you can start using the app. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for further tutorials. Thank you.